Hello friends, welcome in C tutorial programming language. Friends, in this tutorial we will learn about the function. What is the function? What is the type of function? How could we use the function in a program to create the program in a C language? Okay friends, now firstly start with the what is the function. What is the function. Friends, function is a self-contained block of code which is used to perform a specific task. Okay friends, there are two types of functions: predefined function and user defined function. Friends, what is the predefined function? Friends, predefined function is that function which meaning has been already defined in the C language, like the printf, scanf, square root, power, etc. Many function have present in the C language, which meaning have already defined, and you have no need to define that what is the work of that function. Okay friends, and the user defined function which meaning have not defined in the C language, and user will define the meaning of the function. Okay friends, its name may be anything, which any name you may be take the of the user defined function. Okay friends, now there are two types of the user defined function. Okay friends, parameterized function and unparameterized function. Okay friends, firstly we will know about the unparameterized function. Unparameterized function, friends, we don't pass the any arguments. Okay friends, and in parameterized function we pass the argument. Okay friends, and now in next video we will learn how to use to create the program with the help of unparameterized function and the parameterized function. And in this video we will learn how could we use the function to create a program. Okay friends, now we should to start the program, and how could we create the program using the function. Okay friends, let's start the program. Hello friends, now you may watch the small program of the function. Friends, in this program, on the top of the program, we declare the header file, then we start from the main function. Okay friends, main function from here to here. Okay friends, it is the main function. Okay friends, now here is the open curly bracket of main function, and here is the close of the main function. Okay friends, in the main function we declare the two user defined function, test and Ravi. They are the two types, they are two user defined function. Okay friends, but in case of test we declare here and we define outside of the main function. Okay friends, now in the second case of Ravi user defined function, we declare in main function and also defined in main function. Okay friends, and third, it is the here we declare it printf function. It is the part of main function, not a user defined function. Okay friends, firstly you may see that here we declare test function and also define outside of the main function. Okay friends, a test user defined function calling in main function and defined in outside of the main function. Okay friends, if you made a program and you declare it outside of the program and also defining in the program in the main function, but you have to call in the main function like that. Here we are calling test function, here we are calling Ravi function. Okay friends, you may watch that here we declare and here we are calling. Okay friends, we can call it on the first position, we can call it on the second position, we can also call it on the third position. Anywhere we can call, where we call the function, that on that position it will be execute. Okay friends, and now you may watch firstly we will compile it. Here you may watch the error is 0 and warning is 0. Okay friends, now you may watch here we run this program. Firstly we will execute at first position. Here is the test we call first time, so here print the test, hello I am test, so test is printed first. Now the second position what we will execute, and now here printf function. Now we are calling here the third on second position print function, I am a main function, यानी तो हमने इसके अंदर we here in this printf we write in I am main function, so second position print the I am main function. Okay friends, on the third position we are calling the Ravi user defined function, so on the third position print the I am Ravi. Okay friends, we if we calling the Ravi on the second position, so it will execute on the second position. You may watch, just wait. Now here we cut the program on the and calling on the second position. Okay friends, now compile it. Firstly save, then compile. Oh, sorry, we can't declare call on the top of the user defined function. We have to call it below of the where we define it. Okay friends, this is also part of the function. Now save, now compile. Okay friends, compilation is 0 and run, it may be same. Now we can use the test function. Cut from here, we are calling test function on the third position, so it will execute on the test function were executed on the first position. Now it will execute on the last position. Okay friends, now save it, then compile. Okay friends, now you may watch, here is the first on position printing the I am main function, then printing I am Ravi, because here on the second position we are calling the Ravi, and the third position we are calling the test function, so here printing the test function on the third position. Okay friends, now in this video that's it. Thank you for watching friends.